Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to move WhatsApp data to a new phone using the same phone number. So if it's the same system like Android to Android or iPhone to iPhone, then you want to take your old device and let's open WhatsApp. Now I will navigate to settings and tap on chats. Now here you need to find transfer files. Chats, and let's press start button. So you will see verification code that you will need to use in the future. So I will leave my old phone on the right side and I need to take my new device and you want to install WhatsApp application on your device. So let's open WhatsApp. Let's agree with all terms of services. And now let's enter phone number that I want to use. Now press next button. Now you need to enter verification code that you see on your old device's screen. Then if you have two-step verification enabled, you want to enter this PIN right here. It says verified, and now you can continue setting up your account, but let's transfer chat history as well. So we want to tap continue button, and as you can see on your new device you have QR code that you need to scan using your old device. So it's, as you can see, it automatically opened my camera, so I need to scan this with my old device. And as you can see, it will ask you to give permission to connect to your device. Let's give this permission. Let's press next button. Now we can enter your profile information. And as you can see, everything is transferred on your new device. So that is basically how it works. And as you can see on my old device, it says that I am logged out. So that is basically it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And I will see you in the next video.